Hi, this is Prasenjit from Informatica GCS. Today I'm going to discuss about Cloud B2B Gateway custom inbound flow with intelligent structure discovery. We will be discussing about what is the use case, why do we need to use intelligent structure discovery in B2B Gateway, and after that we will show the demo of example file processing, setup, and the complete run. In B2B Gateway inbound flow, apart from receiving EDI or EDIFACT files, you may receive Excel, text, or CSV type of files from the partner. Intelligent structure discovery is playing the role here. It has the capability to read or to discover the structure within Excel, text, or CSV files and creating one interface file for you. Later, you can use process to backend mapping to integrate or to process this CSV interface file and save records into the backend system. Here is the simple source configuration rule for B2B gateway inbound flow using ISD. So I have to use the flat file connection that is actually the interface file. Later, I have to parameterize it as per the B2B gateway rule. Let's go to the demo now. I will show the setup, configurations, and the flow run. So I have logged in into the B2B gateway, created one partner ISD demo, and see I have selected here as a custom, and that was by default selected. If you don't want, you have to deselect it. In my earlier video, I have shared a custom inbound mapping without any intelligent structure discovery. This time I did not remove it. I want to use it. That's the reason I have one more tab called messages. Let me show you once again. I'm going to create one a new partner. Here I'll provide any name, and as soon as I select custom, this is coming there. I have the option to deselect it or to select it. If I select, the messages tab will be there. So basically I have to choose the structure here. Let me talk about the intelligent structure first. I'll go back to that old one. Here I have set already that ISD task selected here. I will show how to select it, but before coming to this point, I have to have one intelligent structure task ready in data integration using the sample file. Let's go to the data integration window to see how the ISD is to be prepared. This is the ISD I had prepared using a very simple file which has age, name, and location data under element group. It's a very simple for this demo. So definitely my text file will have this kind of data, and intelligent structure discovery will be identifying it, preparing a CSV file for me. Let's go back to that B2B gateway to choose that ISD structure. I'll go to that new one. So here select structure option is available. I have to write down my structure name, whichever I want to use. Selected. So this is how I have selected in my demo task also. Once the message is selected, next is the inbound setup. I have already shown the connection part in inbound setup using SFTP connection. I'm just reading a file called abc.txt. Let me show you the file content. It just has pipe separation, name, age, location, and few records. So once the connection is done, next is I have to choose the process to backend mapping. Process to backend mapping, as described earlier, this is the second mapping which is running. Before that, the file will be already processed by the intelligent structure discovery, and the interface file in CSV format will be created. I will show during the runtime where the interface file is getting saved, how is it looking like. And let's go to the data integration mapping where I have created this one. This is the data integration mapping. It's already created. As I have mentioned earlier in this video, the source part has to be parameterized. It is already parameterized. I will show what was it while I was trying to create the mapping. Single object. I have chosen B2B Docster file. Already I have tested it, so I have the interface file. I'm choosing any of that interface file. This CSV file is my interface format. It would show the fields. I have one expression. I can do anything with that. Right now, I don't want to do anything. This is just for demo purpose. And the target for process to backend, as we know, it could be any organizational database or flat file connection. It has nothing to do with B2B gateway connection. So it should not be parameterized. Okay, so the source I have to make it parameterized again once the mapping is completed. Just choose the parameter. Okay, one more thing, once you select that parameter, you have to name it. I am choosing here as element. I have hard coded this name. The reason, my ISD group has element name, so that same group name has to be mentioned here in the parameter. This is not selected, this is written hard coded. Okay, so I'm done with the data integration mapping, which is actually the process to backend mapping, and my partner is also ready. Let's try that inbound mapping run. I'll start the inbound flow. We'll go to the events. First, I want to see the mapping run here. It will take a little time because initially it is bringing the file, and after that it should use that intelligence structure discovery to create the interface file and then processing to file backend. Let's go to the location where the CSV file is getting generated, that interface. This is the location, B2B Docster output, where the interface CSV file got created. Let's see the event status now. It got succeeded. It shows transferring files completed, processing incoming files using that ISD got completed, process to backend file run also got completed. Let's see in the data integration. Yes, I could see the new run got completed. And let's see the target file now. So here I have created my target file. I could see it's the same data, just having a different separator and double quotes in it, just to show that I have done something with that mapping. So that's it. Please follow these steps and configurations with your use case of custom files using intelligent structured discovery. You may use this link for further information about B2B gateway setups. Kindly use this link for feedback and comments. Thank you.